This is a slidecast about online collaborative learning by Roxanne Gibbons as a partial fulfillment for the course Education 6610. Online collaborative learning is a social interaction that involves learners and teachers where members obtain and share experiences of knowledge. Ortiz and Lid state the key elements of online collaborative learning include active communication, interaction, online presence, and a sense of community. Online collaborative learning provides many opportunities for the learner. It can increase and enhance peer interactions and enable context needed to achieve learning outcomes. Online collaborative learning has been confirmed by many studies to help construct knowledge through group interactions and help develop critical thinking skills such as analyzing, synthesizing, evaluating information, which are skills needed for the real world. The methods used in this study are consistent with qualitative analysis. The author completed an annotated bibliography of 10 studies, followed by a literature review, PowerPoint presentation of concept maps, and lastly, a slide cast. The author researched peer-reviewed journals to select 10 studies containing collaborative learning in the title that took place in an online medium. All studies contained research participants, either graduate or undergraduate students, from such countries as Canada, Finland, United States, England, and United Kingdom. The most recent studies were selected, and no more than 2 were selected from the same journal. Data were collected via Education Resources Information Center, ERIC, and Google Scholar. Thus, all sources had electronic media. The 10 studies selected utilized qualitative methods. The author created an annotated bibliography of the 10 studies, which then was used to identify similarities, patterns, and common themes using qualitative meta-analysis and content analysis. The author chose 4 themes that occurred most often in the 10 studies, which were discussed in the greatest detail. The 4 emerging themes were interaction patterns, building a sense of community, support tools, and acquisition of skills, which are all necessary for online collaboration to occur. 2 studies, Brinley and Jarvella, found that scaffolding helps facilitate online collaborative learning. In order for collaborative learning to take place, there must be interactions amongst members, which involve sharing experiences and knowledge. Instant messaging and mobile devices are 2 important support tools needed to enhance collaborative learning. Online collaborative learning depends on a sense of community. A sense of community was found to be greatly impacted by online social presence. Zhu stated that computer-supported collaborative learning is based on the assumption that students learn and construct knowledge through group interactions. The study of interaction patterns is crucial to understanding how networks develop and evolve over time. Social network analysis was identified as an effective tool to study network interaction patterns. Interaction patterns were found to be affected by social presence, course design, and pre-existing friendships, all of which impact the effectiveness of online collaborative learning. The study of interaction patterns provide evidence of engaged and socially active or inactive students,